Hey everybody, welcome to Simple Quick Eats and Family Vlogs. Today I'm making tacos, and I'm gonna just say this now. If you grew up making tacos with your family or learned making it from your aunties or grandma, anything like that, well, this is not an informational video for you. This is more so gonna be for entertainment, or in the end you're gonna help me out and give me advice, cause yeah, I'm kind of just winging it. I went to the store, bought some of the essentials that I could think of off the top of my head. And for those of y'all that just want a simple taco, nothing too special, go ahead and join along. It's still a good recipe, I promise you. Also, I do not have taco seasoning, so I'm going to be making that myself. And I gotta say, it turned out pretty good. But for whatever reason, you are here watching this video right now, so I am very thankful and I hope you enjoy.
Thinking about my songs, I've been on it every night. Thinking if I never get the chance to grab the mic, hopefully one day I'll be on the top like I've been waiting too long, trying to figure out a move with a new song. Trying to see little baby up in a new light, trying to see who I am in a new tie. Alright, don't wanna waste time no more. I've been away and it been too long, but I hope by the end of the song, you know. What it feel like if I'm going under, about what you feel like. I've been down, but I've been holding on for dear life. Never had to open up, so I've been out of sight. Living life smooth, chilling, always do the right. Thinking about my songs, I've been on it every night. Thinking if I never get the chance to grab the mic, hopefully one day I'll be on the top like. Cause I be pushing low key. Dolo, keeping it clean, get my protein. Yoli, mama told me I really been here. No need to overreach for a snow team. Keep it quiet in here, but I'm burning inside. See, I'll admit I've been hurting to find. Really wonder could I get better with time, but they know I'm hella patient, trying to stay on the grind. Like clock in, clock out. Trying to see if we on top now. Got a feeling that we next, but let's find out. Hope the people understand we not a pop style. Made a wave in the town, but ain't popped out. In 5 years, we gon' see who really mopped out. Yeah, made a wave, but ain't popped out. In 5 years, we gon' see who really manned out. What it feel like if I'm going under, about what you feel like. I've been down, but I've been holding on for dear life. Never had to open up, so I've been out of sight. Living life smooth, chilling, always do the right. Thinking about my songs, I've been on it every night. Thinking if I never get the chance to grab the mic, hopefully one day I'll be on the top like. I've been waiting too long, trying to figure out a move with a new song. Trying to see little baby up in a new light. Trying to see who I am in a new tie. Alright, don't wanna waste time no more. I've been away and it been too long, but I hope by the end of the song, you know. Baby, this my last whole day. I'm far but never gone, just know it's okay. Cause I'll be coming back just to see your face. Know you gon' be fine, but it's just one thing. Yeah, it's just one thing, yeah.
I don't want you to wait, girl, I'ma be around.
Oh, Dad has onions in it.
You be afraid, cause time could tell the truth. For them late nights was really something. For them drives was more than a rushing. When the time has come for me, I gotta go now. I'm saying so long.
I'll be out in the field spreading peace, love to the world. Been writing all these songs especially for this girl. You the perfect definition of blessing I can't return. She the one that understands there's not another like her. 2 years gon' pass by in a blink of an eye. Holding on your hand and you standing by my side. They say it's us against the world. Little baby, don't you cry. Know I got your back, nothing gon' happen. Dry your eyes.
Dry your eyes out cold, cause life ain't the same. We gotta rearrange it. Living life on the edge, it get a little dangerous. Sometimes I be looking up to the sky. Pray to God that he make it alright.
Baby, this my last whole day. I'm far but never gone, just know it's okay. Cause I'll be coming back just to see your face. Know you gon' be fine, but it's just one thing.
Hey everybody, welcome to Simple Cook Eats. I made tacos and cranberry juice. Dang, right? My dear gracious Heavenly Father, thank you for this beautiful day. Thank you for this food. Ask these, please bless the food. Bless us tonight and say these things in Christ's name.
Saying so long, till the next time. On my quest for this life, I see a movie screens. Looking from a distance, it's closer than what it really seemed. The lifestyle, the money, cars, the sipping drinks, all just an illusion for losers who can't find some peace. I've been thinking if God got you, you're tripping over. This setback, just a part of learning and getting older. There's hope in this and knowing that God will guide the culture. If me and her is written, then time will find us closer. And you know, like the way that the sun shine, I can always be found with a smile through hard times and not be tripping no more. I gotta live my life, so long to the next. I'm trying to get it right now. For a lifetime, living for the right signs. God willing, I see my purpose and might shine. Through the dark days and all the long nights, I'ma stay strong.
Can you close that?
Baby, this my last whole day. I'm far but never gone, just know it's okay. Cause I'll be coming back just to see your face. Know you gon' be fine, but it's just one thing. Yeah, it's just one thing. Yeah.
This is really good. And the taco seasoning, well, homemade taco seasoning that I made, which is really good with this. I want to make some birria tacos. That seems kind of hard though. I wish it had some cheese or something, but not gonna lie, whenever I got the ingredients for this, I was kind of just like, okay, meat and cilantro. That's really all I remember. And tortillas. That's it. Really good though, shoot. You know what is so good? Pollo Reggio's green sauce. I totally forgot to put hot sauce on. I was too hungry.
Shake your hand.
You're not the dog trainer. I am.
I'm trying to make her wave.
I don't think that's something dogs do. Wave. I'm so glad I didn't wait till Tuesday to make this taco. Oh my gosh. No, Nancy. trying to eat the food.
Tell me what you need from me. I'm trying to be the first when you see Torrent. You ain't gotta hold it back. I'm ready to hit the gas. Just tell me before I crash out, yeah. And you know that I'ma be the one forever. Me and you locked in like birds and feathers. Cut from the same cloth and we strong as leather. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, you know that. I'ma be the one forever. I'ma be the one locked in like birds and feathers. Cut from the same cloth and we strong as ever. Yeah, yeah.
What it feel like? If I'm going under, about what you feel like. I've been down, but I've been holding on for dear life. Never had to open up, so I've been out of sight. Living life smooth, chilling, always do the right. Thinking about my songs, I've been on it every night. Thinking if I never get the chance to grab the mic, hopefully one day I'll be on the top like you.
When I get to the end of like my food, I always see myself making food, taking small bites. I want it to last long.
I've been away and it been too long, but I hope by the end of the song, you know.
What it feel like? If I'm going under, about what you feel like. I've been down, but I've been holding on for dear life. Never had to open up, so I've been out of sight. Living life smooth, chilling, always do the right. Thinking about my songs, I've been on it every night. Thinking if I never get the chance to grab the mic,
Okay, so like,
one day I'll be on the top.
this is the first time making tacos by myself. I think it was pretty good, considering it's my first time by myself. But if y'all have any suggestions to make it better, I don't even see how it could be better. Now, all the taco enthusiasts don't come for me. I was just throwing it together because I was hungry.
Trying to see if we on top now. Got a feeling that we next, but let's find out. Hope the people understand we not a pop style. Made a wave in the town, but ain't popped out. In 5 years, we gon' see who really mopped out. Yeah, made a wave, but ain't popped out. In 5 years, we gon' see who really
We're gonna have water to wash it down.
If I'm going under, about what you feel like. I've been down, but I've been holding on for dear life. Never had to open up, so I've been out of sight. Living life smooth, chilling, always do the right. Thinking about my songs, I've been on it every night. Thinking if I never
Wash y'all's water. I mean, drink y'all's water. Excuse me. Cut that. Alright, that's my cue. Thank you guys for joining me today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay blessed.